This is the Panoramic E-Core slide and swing patio door system. The main difference between this system and many of its contemporaries is that there is no connecting hardware between the panels. You don't see any butt hinges, you don't see any D-pull handles, no chute bolt handles. The doors look more like windows than a patio door system. The only visible hardware you'll see on the system is on your master door. Your master door can be hinged on the right hand side, the left hand side, or both if you wish to configure it that way. The master door is your traffic door, your everyday door, and it has a hold open facility to prevent it from moving around in the wind. These panels then incorporate a patented technology called Magna Lean. There's a magnet attached to one side of the door and captive inside the head. This door then slides to the side. It connects to a magnet in the head above the master door, and by depressing the latch allows the door to pivot to the open position. That motion of sliding and then pivoting means that this door never encroaches in your patio space or your living space until it reaches the rested facility here. Unlike a bifold where you would have to keep this area clear, you would also have to keep this area clear to operate the doors efficiently. With a panoramic door, you could have a couch or a table right next to the doors, and similarly on your patio, and it will never encroach in the opening and closing cycle. Each door slides to the side, hooks together, and then they pivot to the open position. Each door has a magnet built into the panel in the open position that holds the doors together at 90 degrees to prevent them from moving around in the wind. And this is the only fully opening system that will allow you to leave the panels anywhere in the opening that you choose. This is actually one of the most popular settings for our door system. The safe, ventilated position. You get to choose where the panels are. The door doesn't have to be completely open, it doesn't have to be completely closed, it can be as open or closed as you wish. If we take that a stage further, let's imagine that you were utilising this space here. You're maybe having a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, or sharing a glass of wine with friends, and maybe the weather changes. The wind picks up, or it's getting late in the evening and cooling down, or the kids are moving in and out of this area. This door system allows you to move entire sections, like a partition wall, to get cover in the area of the room that you happen to be sat, or to change the area that you move in and out of your property. You can even create the opening in the centre or on the far right. It's that utilisation of space that means that this is a 52-week-a-year patio door as opposed to the 4 weeks that you might get with its contemporaries.